Hundreds of thousands of workers have taken part in strike action across France on Thursday after trade unions called for a day of protest against budget cuts. Scuffles were reported in the cities of Lyon and Nantes, and in Paris, clashes broke out between police and protesters. Officers in riot gear used tear gas and shields to disperse crowds in the center of the capital after some protesters damaged a small number of businesses and buildings. The strikes come barely a week after Sébastien Lecornu, a close ally of President Emmanuel Macron, was appointed Prime Minister following the toppling of François Bayrou's government. Public transport was heavily disrupted on Thursday, with many metro lines in Paris reported shut, while protesters blocked roads and streets in major cities across the country.
Now, as of last week, France has appointed a new Prime Minister, Sébastien Lecornu, and Lecornu has a gigantic task in front of him. He's sworn in a week ago, and he's facing this massive protest, this massive manifestation which is taking place here in France. And he has only till October 7th to present his budget plan. Largely up until now, Lecornu has stayed silent on the budget cuts which were introduced by Bayrou. Meanwhile, for President Macron as well, it is not looking as good. He's facing his lowest approval ratings since he came to office in 2017. The social unrest as of today is being said to be an extension of the Bloquons 2, or the Block Everything protest, which started in France last week. And the protesters are demanding social justice and protection of their rights. Now, as the protest goes on, it's expected to be a really long day. And the question really is, what does France need to do to A, reduce its ginormous financial deficit as it stands today, and B, while it tames its financial deficit, can it keep its people happy? From Paris for NDTV, this is Paradeep Hanot.